In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in ClickFunnels. We'll walk through the course setup so you can get a clean, professional course shell ready in minutes. Start by heading to your ClickFunnels dashboard. Look toward the top right corner and click the Create Course button. Interfaces update from time to time, but it's typically prominent and easy to spot in that area. This opens the course setup flow. Next, you'll choose your course type. Simple works well for a straightforward course where learners get everything at once. Drip is ideal if you want lessons to unlock on a schedule, which helps learners move at a steady pace and can boost completion rates. Custom gives you the most flexibility for specialized structures or unique release patterns. If you're unsure, simple is a safe starting point. You can refine your approach as you build out content. You'll now enter a course title and description. Think of the title as the headline for your promise. Keep it clear and specific so learners immediately understand the outcome, like mastering a tool or completing a transformation. In the description, set expectations. Explain who the course is for, what learners will be able to do by the end, and any prerequisites. A concise, benefit-focused paragraph works best, and including a few keywords can make your course easier to find later. Add an optional course image to make your course stand out. A strong visual builds trust and makes your course easier to recognize in a list. Use a clean, high-contrast image or a simple graphic with legible text. Standard formats like PNG or JPG are perfect, and lighter file sizes load faster for your students. If you use text in the image, keep it minimal so it remains readable on mobile. When everything looks good, click Next or continue to create the course. This finalizes the course shell and takes you into the editor, where you'll be ready to organize modules, lessons, and settings at your own pace. The heavy lifting here is the upfront clarity, choosing the right type, writing a crisp title and description, and selecting an image that represents your content. Before you move on, give your details a quick review for spelling, tone, and consistency with your brand. Clear naming now will save confusion later when you have multiple offers. And remember, you can revisit these fields in your settings if you want to tweak the type, copy, or image as your course evolves. That's it for the initial setup. You've created your course in ClickFunnels, and you're ready for the fun part, building your learning experience.